we ready? So, this is another from our Hmong community, also known as the NTP. It's a new Hmong dance group consisting of ages 5 to 10-year-olds. Also probably affiliated with the Hmong Women Resource Alliance, these young performers come together to learn, grow, and share the beauty of Hmong culture through dance. NTP is more than just a dance group. It's a place where children build confidence, create friendships, and shine proudly while representing the next generation of Hmong tradition and talent. Please give it up for NTP.
Come on, little one. Oh, look at them. They're so adorable. I just want to take them home. Oh, Chico. เป็นตาเพลงค่ะลูก
Round of applause.
Beautiful.
Yes, ladies, please stay there. And can we get the